Imagine every pixel on your screen streamed live directly from a model. No HTML, no layout engine, no code. Just exactly what you want to see.
Cmd+AI.
This is, imagine as a website, no HTML. Everything here is an image. All of these are images that you can click, and a model creates the next frame based on where you clicked. They gave it awareness to where you click, and it expands on that. So you explore a completely generative world. It looks very interesting, and it got tons and tons of views, and they played with responsive and with other concepts as well, as you see here for the text and RIP accessibility, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
I know.
Yeah, that does exist.
But this is, again, a prototype. And Elon Musk said this, and I was like, what is he talking about? A while ago on Joe Rogan's show, he said, on your phone, everything will be a streamed video. Like the UI will be just a continuous, stream of frames, essentially. I don't know if I like this future or if this will be the future. This is extremely expensive to do, like because of the amount of compute that you need to do. But these people have also mentioned in the tweets that yes, they know this is really slow. These videos are actually cut, and they've been clear about this, and sped up, because models are not this fast to generate videos. But it's a concept, and it's interesting. It's an interesting concept. You can go and try it, but I haven't been able to because too many people are using the service. But seemingly you could go to an environment and start exploring, or upload your own and start exploring. And here you can read a little bit more about it, what comes next. And as you see, this demonstration uses pre-generated video and has been cut for speed. Will this become actually a thing? Maybe for some specific use cases. So I would be interested to see what our audience thinks about this, because this is a look into a possible future. And I really like this idea with alternative futures, right? As the way we can have alternative realities, this could be a direction that we might want to pick and, spend a lot of compute for it or not. So
Yeah.
I personally want to stay with HTML for now.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.